Hi, good afternoon. My name is Colleen Radke, and I am your instructor for your college algebra warm-up workshop. This is a workshop, and it is coming 3 weeks before your actual course will start. The purpose of this workshop is to give you an opportunity to practice the skills that you will need in your upcoming class. Many students haven't done math in a really long time, and in order to really help you be successful, this workshop will walk through many of the just basic mathematical skills that you will need to be successful in your next class. If you go down to, let's see here, week 1, you're going to see that there's a bunch of objectives. There's about 7 to 8 objectives each week. And they're short. So you watch just a quick movie, a quick little video, and you do just a quick quiz. By completing that quiz, if you score above 60%, you get extra credit in your algebra class that's coming up next. You also get extra credit for watching this video. So if you can send me a message telling me, just tell me your name and that you watched the video, I will give you extra credit on your algebra class as well. For each objective, notice that there's a place where you can post questions that you might have. I like to post notes, so there's some notes on rational numbers. I also like to post, if there's opportunities to do extra practice, I'll post some of that, or you can just send me a question. Can you put more extra practice up there for me? And I can do that for you, figure out a way to get you some practice. This is an optional class. However, the statistics are coming in. The students who are taking this workshop seriously and completing it are scoring far and above their peers. So I really want to encourage you to spend maybe even just 10 minutes a night or 20 minutes here and there to watch a video and just try these practice problems. You won't be sorry. If you have any questions, please send me a quick message, but welcome to the workshop, and I really look forward to working with each of you.